This is a censor sheet with about 40 times more clouds. We will quickly deliver news about the Thailand-Cambodia war. This is the Osmak crime zone in Cambodia, home to a Cambodian crime syndicate. The Thai military shelled the area with mortars. In the Osmak crime zone, the Cambodian military was storing heavy weapons for drone surveillance. After confirming this, the Thai military attacked the storage site. The Thai military is currently advancing into Cambodian territory. At present, the Cambodian military is using artillery and mortars to block the Thai military's advance, and they have started to use heavy weapons intensively. Sakayo Province. Thai Type 8 armored vehicles are headed for the Cambodian border. This is the Cambodian side. The residents who have taken refuge here are living in tents as they evacuate. This is Preah Vihear Temple. Nearby was a Cambodian military headquarters, which the Thai military destroyed. At Flanin Petcon, the Thai military also used a recoilless rifle to destroy the Golden Horse statue, symbolizing Cambodia's 3rd Support Division. The Thai military captured Prey Chan village in Cambodia, across from Ban Nong Yang Kaeo. A Cambodian Ministry of Defense spokesperson said the Thai military keeps attacking Cambodia, but Cambodia's military is not responding. It was also stated that Thailand has recaptured all 3 locations in the disputed area. The Thai military advanced into Cambodia simultaneously from Ban Klong Pang, Ban Nong Yang Kaeo, and Ban Nong Chen. Although there were scattered Cambodian troops trying to stop the Thai military, they were all repelled. The Thai military captured a stronghold in Cambodia's Prey Chan and started setting up a barbed wire defensive line. This footage shows a Thai soldier in a trench firing multiple grenades from an M203 launcher at Cambodian troops, with gunfire audible. The ongoing gunfights are at the border between Thai and Cambodian militaries. A Cambodian drone captured by the Thai military after being shot down with electronic warfare is also shown. The Cambodian military is attacking the Thai military using drones with Chinese 82mm high-explosive bombs. Vietnamese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Pham Tu Hong voiced Vietnam's deep concern about rising tensions between Cambodia and Thailand. The Japanese embassies in Thailand and Cambodia issued safety advisories after military clashes near the Thailand-Cambodia border. As fighting worsened, the Thai Ministry of Health expanded medical response to 7 provinces, raised the emergency to stage 2 of 3, and began moving critically ill patients to safer areas. The United States Embassy in Thailand raised its security alert Monday due to increased fighting at the Thailand-Cambodia border, advising United States citizens to stay at least 50 kilometers away. Monse Ferrer, Regional Investigation Chief of International MNST, warned that renewed hostilities near the Thailand-Cambodia border could endanger civilians, cause mass displacement, and damage essential infrastructure. He also said the Cambodian and Thai governments must take all necessary steps to protect civilians and prevent further risks under international humanitarian law. If there is more news in the future, I will make a video and upload it. This is the end of the video. Thank you.